Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but I'm really excited to be here again. I have missed sharing things with you guys. From now on, get ready. I'll be mixing things up. Not only I'll be showing you guys cooking videos, but showing you around Poland a little bit. And to start things off, today I'm making a delicious pumpkin rice cooked with coconut milk. Let's get right into it. Now I'll go in with a little bit of oil and let it heat up on medium heat. And here I'm adding in my onion. Now I'll go in with mixed pepper. Here I have red sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, and one Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll add it all in. Now I'll give it a mix. And I'll let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'll add in some thyme. This is fresh thyme. About 6 pimento seeds. And give it a stir. Now I'll go in with my diced pumpkin. And I'll just give it a mix. This is what it's looking like after 1 minute. Now I'll go in with the coconut milk. I'll add some water. And now I'll give it a mix. Now I'll season the pot. I'll go in with a little bit of turmeric powder, some vegetable seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning rub, garlic, That's enough. Now I'll add some salt to taste. And we'll just give it a mix. Now let's give it a taste. Okay, now we'll go in with washed rice. Now we'll give it a mix. Now we'll cover and let the rice cook. Now come back once the rice is done. So this is what my pumpkin rice is looking like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow and it keeps me motivated to stop disappearing. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!